Alright guys, so I have this 8K 360 Insta, and this is what it is, just like that. Basically you can do 8K video, shoot first, frame later, invisible stick, active HDR video, flow state, 72 megapixel photos. I got removable lens, waterproof, 33 feet, and AI powered. So let's go ahead and open this up. Stickers right here. All right. Go ahead. And this is what's inside. All right, so that's what's in the box. We've got the stick, got the actual device, mounts over here, so let's see. Connections. Oh, that's the battery. Okay. And we got the lens. Okay. Get this stuff out of the way. So, power button here. Not sure what these guys are. Guess we'll find out. Let's see. It's another battery. Pack. And then SD card for 256. And what's in here? A case. It's pretty cool. And the cable. Comes with this case here, grip cover. Basically it says install carefully, make sure it's not scratched, make sure camera is dry, not wet, do not install while recording. So it says gonna get warm, it's okay. It reduces the surface temperature. Make sure camera is more comfortable to hold. You you do 8K for a long time. Windless environment, not for skiing, water sports, or motorcycling. So only if you do 8K and it's still you use this. Alright, the instructions. So we got this device. This is the USB cover, battery. Before using underwater, make sure battery completely closed. The orange indication should not be visible. Okay. When using camera, avoid dramatic temperature changes. Remove lens guard before using camera underwater. Remove the lens guard. So these guys. Okay. Good deal. Alright, so selfie stick. It's a good size. Need to download the app to move forward. Basically, battery and the SD goes in here, and then USB-C cable goes on the side, and then that's the okay. So that's the microphone and the speaker. That's what it is. These two things are here. Okay. And if you do one time to power on, one time it's gonna start clicking quick. There's a quick button right here. If you do quick, it's gonna do 8K. Gets a quick switch between the settings, 8K, 5.7K, and 72 for this quick setting. All right, there's that. Also comes with lenses, standard lens guard. So basically you install it, and the blue thing has to match on the side. Select the correct lens mode after installing or removing. So there's that. So let me know if you have any questions, if you use it. I'll do another video to actually show it in action. Check out that video as well. I'll try to post the link. And till next time. All right, guys.